Okay, we are now dealing with problems on quadratic equations. So this question says 1 root of the equation x squared minus px plus q equals 0 is the square of the order. Show that p cubed minus q into bracket 3p plus 1 bracket close minus q squared equals to 0, provided that q is not equals to 1. So let's see how we go about solving this equation, this quadratic equation. So let the roots, let's start. Let the roots be, let the roots be alpha and z is the square of the other, and the second one alpha squared. So let the roots of the equation be alpha and alpha squared according to the question we are given. So one of the roots of this equation is the square of the other. So if one is alpha, the other one will be alpha squared. So we can get the sum of the roots. Sum of roots, it should be alpha plus alpha squared equals to. So let's look at the question again. In this case, we have minus p. So what we have here, our sum of roots, will be minus into minus d minus q over p. No, that's it. So over 1. This is p over 1. So that will give us p. That will just give us p. That is the sum of the root. So the product of the roots, that will be alpha times alpha squared, which is equals to alpha cubed. So that will be q all over 1 is equals to q. So we are getting the sum of the root and then the product of the roots. So we can now start. So in this case, let me write out something so that you don't look confusing. So our a is equals to 1. Our b is equals to minus p. Our c is equals to q. So sum of roots is equals to minus p over a. Product of roots is equals to c over a. So I need to explain that so that you will not look, how did I get this, how did I get that. So this is what I have just done in these steps. So let's start. Now let's term this. We have gotten our sum of roots. So I'm going to do something so that you get what I'm doing. So when you clean this, then alpha cubed is equals to q. Now from the question we are given, I want you to take note of something. Now there's an int there. P is raised to the power of 3. p is raised to the power of 3. And for me to get p to be raised to the power of 3 here, I need to raise both sides, cube both sides, so that I can get p raised to the power of 3. That is the need that we should take note of. So let's term this 1, and let's term this our 2. So now cube both sides of 1. So if we cube both sides of 1, we have alpha is alpha squared is equals to p squared. So we're going to expand it. I believe you have a knowledge of figure. We're going to cube both sides. Cube both sides. So cube both sides, you have alpha cubed plus 3 to alpha 4 squared, then alpha squared plus 3, then we have alpha squared alpha, so plus alpha squared to the power of 3 to the power of 3 is equals to p to the power of 3. So just see me as I watch as I go about simplifying this. This will give us 3 alpha raised to the power of 4 plus 3 alpha raised to the power of 5 plus, so I'm going to alpha cubed to the power of 2. So what I did there is just to interchange the numbers. It does not affect. This will give us 6. 2 times 3 will give us 6. It does not. 3 times 2 will still give us 6. So you see the reason later as we walk around. So we have been able to factorize this out. Now, if we look at this original question, we are given now equation 1 alpha plus alpha squared is equals to p. So what can I do so that I can get that kind of values from this? So just watch as we have alpha cubed plus 3 alpha cubed. So I'm factorizing alpha cubed out. Alpha cubed. So in this place I have alpha is alpha squared. Now alpha cubed times alpha will give you alpha raised to power 4. Alpha cubed raised times alpha squared will give you alpha raised to power 5. So we are almost through. Then this one will give us alpha raised to the power of 3 all squared is equals to p cubed. So now from equation 2, from 2 alpha cubed is equals to p is equals to q. So anywhere let's term this. Let's term this 3. So in equation 3 now, anywhere I see alpha cubed, I'm going to put q there. So this one will be q plus 3 cubed. Alpha plus alpha squared. Alpha plus alpha squared is p. So alpha plus alpha squared is p. So I'm going to put p here. Plus q alpha cube is equals to q squared is equals to p cubed. So we're almost through now. So we have q plus 3 3p cube 3p cube plus q squared is equals to p cubed. So we can factorize q out there. So we have 1 plus 3p plus q squared is equals to p cubed. So take all that is on the left hand side to the right hand side. So we now have 0 equals to p cubed minus q into 1 plus 3p minus p minus q squared. So I can rewrite this equals to 0. This is what we are asked to show in, from the question we are given. So you can look at, so let's look at the question again. So you can see this is what we are asked to show. This is what we are asked to show, that p cubed minus q into bracket opened 3p plus 1 minus bracket closed minus q squared is equals to 0. So, and that's what we have exactly shown in these steps. So I hope you find it interesting. So please don't forget to subscribe to our videos, share our videos, and like our videos. So this is how to go about solving this problem. Watch this video 1, 2, 3 times so that I can get a good grip of what I'm trying to explain to you. So thank you for watching. So this is the whole question.